So I'm down here in my basement, and my old furnace doesn't want to turn on. Right here, we got the pilot, and every time I put it in the middle, it doesn't want to stay lit. I talked to some people, and they said that is my whatever you call this little thing right here. First thing you got to do is make sure that the power is off, which is right here. The switch, that's off. So in order to take this, that's what actually keeps the flame on. Let's see if I can see it right here. It goes through here. So just pull this out. This is what they call I don't know what they call it, but I'm going to call it a bath piece. And since I don't have any tools, I'm just going to use my hand. I got a very tight grip. Yep. I don't need no wrench. I can just do it by hand, I hope. Got a pretty strong fingers. They're like wrenches. So I'm gonna get this off. There we go. Pops right off. So basically, you just pull it out, and this damn piece is what's wrong. It goes in here. So I'm gonna go run to the store and get one of these. And I'm thinking that it does need one of these. So it's a long copper wire that goes hooked up there. So I'm gonna run to the store, get one of these, and replace it and see if it works like that. So I'll be back.